Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Mike. Behind me is my 2010 Camaro SS, and today we're gonna swap out some marker lights. Clear front and rear marker lights to replace the factory ones, which are getting a little crusty. Let's just jump right into it. I was gonna try to show you guys a view of the screws back here, but I don't have good enough lighting in the garage to do it. So right behind here, you've got 3 screws that go down the inner fender. I think I'm only gonna have to take out the top 2, but I might just do all 3 just to make it easier. I'm gonna use the impact and a T20 Torx bit. It'll go really, really quickly, but let's get started. And 3 screws out. You can pull the inner fender out of the way and see if I can feel. So I believe there is just a clip on the back. It'd be cool if I could actually see anything. Kind of just guessing here. Flat screwdriver. Looks like there's a little tab on the back here. Not only are these crusty, somebody glued them together. So apparently this thing has seen better days. And first one out. So, thinking these are not original. They're not. In this case, you're gonna wanna leave the socket in there. If you look at the wires on the new side marker lights, it comes with this little piece here. With this, it's gonna plug right into where the light bulb would go. And once that is in place, you're gonna wanna actually take the wires and the socket and twist it inside. Maybe. And this will slide in. And remove a little bit of glue they used to hold this in the last time. We're not gonna need that anymore. And one side done. It actually fits way better than I thought it would. I kind of like how that looks. Let's see if it actually works. So it actually works. What I did get is, although they're clear, they're still amber in the front, they're still gonna be red in the back, so that they're legal. And I actually kinda like how it looks. And I'm actually gonna bring you guys to the rear of the car. There's gonna be one screw up here, it's gonna be a 7mm. This is gonna pop out, and then we'll be able to take the rear one out. And we're gonna do that quick, and then I'll speed through the other 2. And we'll use the ratchet to go ahead and take this out. And these should pop out. Now, flat screwdriver, press in on the back part, and it is out. Should slide out from the back. Now, just like the last one, go ahead and just remove that. Pull the light bulb out, same deal, plug it in. Because this one's harder to get in, I'm gonna make sure it works. A little brighter, nice and LED, actually works. And let's pop this back in. There we go. Popped in. And just like that, we got one side done. Let's just do a little check here. Rear. I mean, they definitely stand out, and looking at it, I really do like them. I'd love to have clear taillights. I'm torn. I've seen infinity lights or infinity lights. I've seen some other different LED ones. But let me know in the comments if you guys would also like to see some clear taillights. I'd love to find a good set. There's a company called Lucky Garage that makes them for the C5 and C6, which I wish that they made a set for these, but they don't. So we'll have to try to figure those out next. But we've got the rears. Fronts, I think, look pretty good. I don't know what's next.